Happy cooking! Come on inside and step into the kitchen and let me show you some delicious recipes. We keep it simple around here, just the simple ingredients that you usually have in your cupboard. So let me show you how we do things around here, cause you can do it too. Welcome to YouTube, everybody. Let's get things started. Holidays are over, family's gone home, and you probably cooked up some delicious memories in your kitchen. Shoot, you probably saw something that inspired you to cook up something new, and now it's part of your family tradition every year. This is almost like having a turkey dinner all in one dish. Easy to prepare, doesn't take 6 hours, maybe one altogether. So, for this ultimate comfort chicken casserole recipe, these are all the ingredients you're going to need. Of course, chicken. We got some cream of chicken soup. We have some sour cream. We have frozen peas and carrots. We have vegetable broth for the stuffing that we're going to put together. This is all you need, and one skillet. So get your oven on. I'm going to put mine at 375. And here we go. Let it preheat. It's a lot easier when the meat's partially frozen as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and salt and pepper. Then I'm going to use some garlic powder. Then we're going to use some onion powder. And I'm going to mix that up real good. Okay, so I got 8 ounces of sour cream here. I'm just going to plop that in there. I'll use all that. Now I got a big can of cream of chicken soup. I'm just going to use half of that. Maybe a little bit more than half. About 3/4, that'll work. Okay. All right, check out the mixture. Ready. I got the stuffing here. I got 2.5 cups of water. I'm gonna pour in there. Okay, and I have 1 stick of butter. Okay, let's just mix that all together. Hot water. I used hot water. It's just to soften it up. We don't have to get it boiling or anything. Mix it up real good, get that water in. The bread will soak the water up. Okay, so now we're ready to just lay it over. And you might not use all this. Put as much as you like, or maybe you will. This is my first time making it. Let's just get it all in there. I think that'll be just fine. All right, just lather it on there. Even it out the best you can. Yeah, this looks good. Okay. I'm gonna pop it in the oven. 375 for about 30 minutes. Look at that. Whoa, frosty eyes. Well, it's been there for about 30 minutes. It's looking good. I think I'm gonna leave it in there just a little more longer. Oh, that's good. A little more time. Let's do 10 more minutes and we'll call it done. And there goes that timer. Let's get in there and take this out. Oh, frosty again. Heavy. Alright, that just looks good. Looks good. Now it is sizzling hot, but I gotta dig in here. Let's find a piece of chicken. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's good. There we go. Got some peas or something in there. Let's just go for it. Man, is that good? Turkey Day all over again. Because you got this cream mix that you would pretty much have in a, well, bean casserole, green bean casserole. You got the stuffing. It's just part of it. Then you got the chicken. You got some vegetables in here. Yes, I'm ready. I'm gonna let this cool down. Wait for the wife to get home and serve dinner. That is one delicious plate right there. No time at all. More time in the oven than to get it prepared. I just want to tell everybody that you can do it too. Get yourself in the kitchen and make something delicious. Peace out, everybody. Like and subscribe to the channel, and hope to see you next time.
It flip it high, watch it soar, watch it fly. A dash of dreams and a pinch of try.